Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market, just focusing on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular, and another asset that I am going to use as an example of showing you why I think that, in my opinion, Bitcoin is making a bottom. We're in the bottom forming process with Bitcoin, and the same thing with some other alts. Okay. When's it going to take off? Remains to be seen. But I think right now, we're in a buying opportunity for a next wave up. When will that start? Like I said, that remains to be seen. But I have a Willy Woo's little picture from Twitter on here. And by the way, if you want to go over, I have a Twitter page too. I post a little bit on there. I'm not too much of a, I guess you could say, these Twitter fanatics are posting like every 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It seems like I want to let you guys know that this is a little bit deceptive, in my opinion, using this chart. And the reason why I say that is that he's talking about these purple areas being the bottoms, and that Bitcoin hasn't finished a bottom yet. That's technically not true. If you go over this chart, you can see Bitcoin's bottom was right there, and Bitcoin's bottom was over here. And this is the 2015. This is the 2018. Now, the good news is that this is all different here, and this is different here. What I mean by that is the altcoin market really didn't exist over there. You had a little bit over here. They all dumped, went down, but there's a whole different ballgame over here. So when Bitcoin is in its area right now, so let's use this. I'm going to use this 2015 as an example. I'm going to go to Bitcoin chart. I want to show you something, okay, why this is deceptive. All right. I go to Bitcoin's chart here, 2015. You see what Bitcoin did in this bottom process right here, guys, is it went up onto this wave. Took me a minute to get to it on the daily chart, guys. I want to show you some of this 2015, why it's deceptive, because he's not counting the bottom over here. According to his chart, he has it over here. And that's not true. The bottom was over here, and Bitcoin over here went up onto this wave. The process of making its second wave over here to be able to do this launch took a long time. So this is a second wave starting from right here, and this second wave lasted for 166 days, or we could basically say what, 6 months. Okay, so 6 months, and you can see it in the chart. You see this three-wave move. It came back up for a three-wave move, and what did it do? It went down into a five-wave move. What did Bitcoin do? It made the old flat. 3, 3, 5. You can see that right there, that nice flat. So that was a process. Bitcoin's bottom was there, and then this whole process over here was the flat process. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the let me go back to the beginning over here. What I was saying is that there's a bottom forming process that is going on over here with Bitcoin. Is this a 1-2, and is it going to launch out of here? Well, you know, it could be in a process where Bitcoin could be going something like what it did over there. I'm not going to say it's going to be 6 months. I don't think it's going to be that long. It could, don't know yet. And that process is over here. What's the difference for here? Willy Woo's difference here and here and here. Well, these guys, I guess he's a Bitcoiner maybe. Well, these guys are waiting for Bitcoin to be doing its thing and going through its process and maybe accumulating possibly, or maybe it's going to go down, go up a little bit more, and come back down. Maybe it could make another wave 1. Maybe this is going to be a wave 1. This is 1-2, and it's going to make another one right here. Just don't know yet. But the thing is coins like this, taking a coin like this and breaking it down, ICP, this is internet computer cryptocurrency, right? Okay, here are the facts. The facts remain is that internet computer made a nice starting diagonal. Okay, so this at a minimum is going to be making something over here at a minimum, a C leg at a minimum. More than likely, it's going to be a process for it to get through there and start going in a wave 3, more than likely somewhere down the road with internet computer. It's dropped 99%. It's down here at the bottom. It made a nice wave sequence. I mean, you can do this. Check this whole thing out. Wave 1 is shorter than wave 3, and wave 3 is shorter than wave 5. You know, wave 4 came right on top of wave 1 where it's supposed to go. It's perfect. It's made a nice deep correction, and it's over here playing around right now, getting ready to get out of here. If internet computer comes back down here, I'm going to be getting some more on this coin, because, you know, if all Bitcoin has to do, guys, is make a move up like this, and internet computer can start making its wave over here too. That's all that Bitcoin is going to need to do. So going back to his thing, how it's a little bit deceptive, this actually is going to keep people, you know, not seeing opportunities that could be coming in the cryptocurrency market, because they're just, you know, oh, it's not pink yet. It's not this purple, dark purple down here yet, where technically, based off his chart, if you take this chart, that he is saying the Bitcoin is bottom. If you think about it, Willy Woo is saying that Bitcoin has bottom because he's counting this area. You know, everybody in the crypto market is expecting, oh, it needs to be a massive wave up. It's got to be a massive wave up. It's got to be the massive wave up. It has to be the massive wave up every time. Bitcoin's bottom was right there, guys. Bitcoin's bottom was right there. This one right there. They're still waiting for confirmation, if you will. They're waiting for confirmation. And so some people are just not willing to say, yeah, more than likely that's the bottom for Bitcoin. And you have a good shot that was the bottom. So far, Bitcoin has proven to us that that's the bottom. $10,000 to $12,000 Bitcoin, guys, going back out to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, taking a look at the RSI. You know, I made previous videos on that, guys. I don't see it. I don't see the massive dump. I don't see it, guys. It based off the past history, you know, if I want to use you know, the other methods, you know, here it is, 2018 bear market. There it is over there on the RSI, the weekly lower. Here's that area I was talking about, 2015 bear market. Came out of there where I was taking the low was right there. There's a low on the RSI. Where is it over here? Lower. The only one that's lower is when it started. That's to be expected when Bitcoin started over there, guys, or more or less in that area. Okay, part of the infancy of Bitcoin, which is to be expected. So, based off this information, saying he's asking, have we bottomed? He's saying we haven't. Technically, his chart, and in my opinion, he doesn't realize it, what he's saying, that Bitcoin has bottomed. If you think about it from more of that point of view of what he's presenting in his data based off all this information. That's what I'm saying. I want to put that out there and let you guys know, but the opportunities are there. There's no, look, I am 99% confident that ICP at this bottom made a nice impulsive move off the bottom. I'm 99% confident of that. What ICP has to do to discount this as not being an impulse, it has to come down there and it has to break $4.62. $4.62. And then somehow this turned into some sort of fourth wave, or it can't be an ABC. You can't really get an ABC out of that. Some sort of fourth wave and it's swinging back down like that. Don't think so, guys. ICP is already down 99%. 99% is what it is. That was 99% for ICP. And if it comes back down here, test these lows, I'll be looking to snipe a little bit more. Okay, keeping the bottom, you know, obviously this is your area right here. This drop, what are you going to be risking? You're risking 20% for potential, who knows how much of an upside over here, in my opinion. Might have to wait a little bit longer than expected, but I'm willing to take that risk. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. If you made it all the way to the end, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.